Hello, checking my audio. Hello. Yes. I was just quickly checking my audio and checking if everything was fine. So, a very good evening, everyone. It's 8:30, and we are here for the post-market analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex on 17th of November. So, in fact, I am somewhat happy about the market today because intraday it was very stable. One of the most stable days you could ever have in the market. It was one such day. And if you check the indices, you can see that all the indices positive in the green. So consider IT sector, the financial services, banks, automobile, pharma, metal, FMCG, media, realty, energy, PSU banks, every single sector closing in the green. So that is one really good positive thing for the market. And you can see how solid this candle is. This candle is closing almost at the day's high as well. So Nifty has managed to cross about 26,000 for only the second day in this calendar year. Okay. So in this calendar year, so 2025. So 2025 started, you can see here, started here. So it is only the second time that we have closed here. The once before we closed here, it was on, yes, I'm unable to see the date. It was on 29th of October, the previous month. But then immediately some profit booking came and we closed at 26,053. Okay, so 26,053 was the closing. That was the only close where which we had above 26,000. So today it is a second time, and things look very stable, and the market looks in a confident mood. Now, why is this so? The first reason being Bihar state election, as expected, the exit poll results were in fact outperformed by NDA government, and they came into power. So that event is now almost over, and there is good sense of positivity in the market. The next thing being India's inflation data came coming at almost 0.25 percentage, which is the lowest in decades. Now that is pressurizing the RBI to probably reduce the interest rates also in the upcoming, RBI policy meet. I think I'm not unaware, not sure about where we will have when we will have that exactly. So yes, I can see people messaging Ajit sir and Atula sir. Yes, thank you. No, we have managed to close about 26,000, which is very good. So what can we expect from now on? So possibly in all possibilities, we should be heading to the all-time high, Nifty's all-time high, which is 26,277 here. So probably in November itself, will we do that? I'm slightly hesitant to say that, but maybe that is also really possible. But in December, more or less with certainty, now we can say, okay, Nifty is headed higher. Even if we have small profit bookings, small stops here and there, we should be heading to 26,500, possibly, very possibly in December. So that is our expectation in December. Now, having said that, we also have to look at Bank Nifty, which has managed to close at the all-time high. So Bank Nifty has touched the all-time high. You can see this Bank Nifty in Bank Nifty in 2025. The high made was here. High made was somewhere here. Uh, yeah, which one? It is 2025. Yes, 2025, 24 September. It was 54,276. That high was already broken. And today, Bank Nifty has again made a significant high. So Bank Nifty has closed at the all-time high again today. So Bank Nifty also looking very positive. And at the all-time high, there is consistent performance from all the banks except for ICICI as well as HDFC, because their weightage in Bank Nifty index is now reduced. So there is slight negativity, but apart from that, there is generally very good positivity across all the banking sectors. So that is also positive. The Sensex also closing above 80, almost at 85,000, very close to 85,000. So probably we should also be heading to 85,000 or 86,000 soon. That is another expectation of ours probably in the upcoming days. So let's see in this scenario what are FIIs doing. So let's go check the FIDA data in FIIs history. FIIs have now today bought for 442 crore, which is a small number. FIIs are bullish in futures, options, and cash segment, indicating general positivity in the market. Except today, all the other days, see, ignore this day, 7th of November, because that was Bharati Airtel block deal happening. It was only because of that particular stock that FIs were net buyers on that day. It was a block deal. Apart from that, apart from today, we had FIs selling all the days. Every single day FIs were selling, and DIs on the other hand were buying every single day. Every single day DIs were net buyers. So DIs today also continued their buying positions. So again, things now look positive for the market. It is probably time to go long in the market. And the position which I have currently is with the one which I took on Friday is 25,450 put and 400 put. I didn't roll it over today. I just wanted to wait for another day. So my profits are more or less realized. I might probably move on to 25,700 to 750 tomorrow. So if the market opens slightly gap down, it will be very favorable for me. So that is my position in Kite. The trade which I took in Grow was kind of flat. I entered at 93, had to exit at 95 itself. There was no profit, no loss in that. Now let's go take a look at the open interest as well parallelly. So if you look at the open interest, you can see it is very, very balanced, but mainly, favoring the put side. In the sense, market seems to be getting bullish. 25,900 with the highest amount of put writing. So 25,900 will be the immediate next support, which obviously, as everyone should expect, followed by 25,800 as well. So you short 25,800 put and you sit idle, you make good profits for the day. You short 26,200 and tomorrow, so probably time to do an iron condor, do to 26,200 call short, 25,800 put short, and you are kind of safe from all the volatility which could happen tomorrow because of expiry. Market might move probably 100 points up, 150 points down, another 100 points up. All those things can happen, but I think there will be lesser volatility in tomorrow's expiry, mainly because India VIX is also down. The market knows where it's going to go now, possibly upwards. So again, there should be lesser volatility as I expect. But because of expiry, there will be some amount of that as well. So we should not ignore that. So yes, let's also look at what the global markets are doing. In the meanwhile, I'll go check SGX Nifty. So SGX Nifty is at 26,060, indicating kind of a flat or very flat opening tomorrow as things stand. Again, it might change anytime. Now, the European market, the US markets are trading flat. European markets are trading in the slightly in the negative territory, not significantly, but in the negative, definitely in the negative. And Asian markets are also trading, except for Korea, or the markets are trading generally in the negative. Yes, except for let's say Korea, everything is trading in the negative. Nikkei also is negative to flat to negative, all those things. So kind of mixed feeling. We cannot have much of a conviction from the global markets as things stand. So what should be the key levels to watch out for Nifty tomorrow? Obviously, if we are having a gap up opening tomorrow, if at all we are having a gap up opening, 26,000, let's go Nifty. So 26,000 will definitely act as the immediate first support, which 26,000 is here. So this will definitely act as the immediate support if at all we have a gap up opening. And the range which I am expecting tomorrow is between 26,100 and 25,900. Nifty is likely to trade between 26,100 and 25,900 tomorrow. I do not expect a huge positivity to unfold tomorrow itself. Not much negativity either. So shorting 25,850 put or 800 put, your trade is kind of done for the day unless something extraordinary happens. Again, that is possible in the market as well. So that's it mainly for the post-market analysis. We are expecting all sorts of positivity in the upcoming weeks also. The FOMC minutes, Federal Open Market Committee minutes in the US Federal Reserve is scheduled on Wednesday, our post-market hours. So that is one thing to watch out for. Based on that, we can take probably longer term decisions as well. So thank you everyone for watching. Till we meet again in tomorrow's training session. Take care. Jai Hind.